What's going on, guys? I got a Walmart unboxing today. So I got the Tramontina knife set. So this is brand new. I just got it in just now. So here's my new unboxing for today. Alright, so here's what I got at Walmart. So I got something brand new in the kitchen. So I'll be unboxing this today for you guys. So here's something new. So I got this for about 80 bucks and it was worth it. Decided to get something brand new. Well, let's open this up and see what we have in here. Alright, my first time getting this, by the way. Alright, give me a few minutes. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is your instructions right here. Put that right there for a minute. Just put. And what's in here? And the block. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, put this aside. Alright, so here's the block right here. Alright, here's the main set right here. Wow, there's so much in here. Well, let's look at these piece by piece. Alright, give me time again. Alright, wow, it's kind of windy. Right now, put this one aside. Alright, so here's, let's look at these piece by piece, by the way. So, let's start with the smaller one right here. This is just your usual steak knives. Alright, well, let's see what this looks like. That's it. Alright, let's see where this goes. Here. They're all the same, by the way. Hold on, it's kind of windy. Alright. Alright, here's the other one. I think it goes right here. Yeah, it goes like that. Another one. Yeah, they're all the same. And I think this is the last one right here. Same old, same old. And right here is the sharpener. Yeah, you already know what this is. It goes right here. And let's see, what is this one? There you go. Another one. I think it goes right there. And the bread knife. And what is this one? Another one. There you go. And last but not least, the chef's knife. And that's it. Alright, so here is what I got at Walmart today. Here's the complete 13 set. So again, recommendations on this, no problem. Yeah, another common item at Walmart. So if you want something brand new in the kitchen, it's definitely worth getting for 80 bucks. That's how much I got it for. Yeah, I need something brand new in the kitchen. So if you want something brand new, this is it. So you call this what do you call that? Tramontina kitchen knife set. This is what I got at Walmart today. Yes, I got it in the store rather than online. Yeah, got it right away. For 80 bucks, it was definitely worth it. Yes, I need something brand new in the kitchen. So this is it. Here's another good knife review again. And something brand new in my kitchen. Alright, let's show you one of these up close. So I just want to show you, it is right there. It's all stamped right there. It says right there, hold on. Yeah, that dropped a bit. Put that there. Right there, it says Tramontina stainless steel, Brazil. That's good. Made in Brazil. Good, you know, hard steel, brand new. Let's look at another one here. Let's look at the bright light. That's it. I'll show you a couple. Yeah, I'm not going to go through all. Yeah. And there you go. They're all stamped like that. That's good. Made in Brazil. Yes, my first time getting this. That's good. Alright, let's show you again one more time. So here's my kitchen knife set. Yes, I got something brand new in the kitchen. That's good. And again, for 80 bucks, it's definitely worth it if you want something brand new in the kitchen. This is it. Anytime, anywhere at Walmart. Okay. Yeah, straighten this out a little bit. Alright, so... Alright, there you go. I gave you a good unboxing review on the Tramontina kitchen knife set that I got at Walmart. And it's brand new. Alright, so if you come across this, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.